What is up guys, this is HeatSeeker and welcome back to a new video. Today in this video I am going to show you guys how to create bootable USB using a software known as Rufus. So without a further ado, let's jump right into the video. Let's start by opening Chrome, and as you guys can see, this is the Rufus website, and you guys need to download the Rufus software, which you don't even need to install on your PC. It's just a standalone software. And you also need the Windows ISO file. It may be Windows 10, 7, 8, anything you want. You can download this from the Microsoft website. I will provide you guys with the link in the description. So these are the prerequisites which you need in order to create a bootable USB. Now let's open the Rufus application. As you guys can see, the software is really very basic and simple, and it doesn't have any complicated options. Your USB should be automatically detected. However, if it doesn't get detected, you can always select it from the drop down box, and you don't need to select anything else. Just click on the drop down menu and select ISO, and then click on the CD or the disk button and search for the ISO file where you have saved and just open it. Now just click on start. Do not click on any other options. Just follow the video and just click yes to start. It will take some time, so I will fast forward the video and show you guys after it is completed. After the download is complete, just click on close. Now let's open the pen drive and see if the ISO works properly or not. It has created the bootable USB correctly, and as you guys can see, all the files and folders are there in my USB. And let's open it up. The setup is working properly. So that's about it. Don't forget to like this video and show me some love by subscribing to my channel. Thank you for watching and see you guys in the next video.